Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to change the template in Squarespace. First, go to your web browser. Here, open squarespace.com. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Now click on this brush icon to open Site Styles. Here you can change the template and customize it as per choice. First, click on Fonts. You can change the font style for headings and paragraphs. Then go back and click on Colors. Here you can change the color of your font. Click on Edit Palette. Here you can create your own color or select from the given options. Then go back and scroll down. Here you can customize your themes. After that, we have Animations. Here you can select the animation style for the fonts. After that, go back and click on Spacing. Here you can increase and decrease page width and site margin. Then click on Image Blocks. It also offers a number of options to customize your template content. So this is how you can change the template in Squarespace. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.